Okay, here we are at Surry Hills. This is EVDB1. So this is where we start. This has 3 units. So this is pre-wired from the main meter room to here, and then you come from here to your EV charger. One has been put in, as you can see, the orange cable. This is the data box, which links to all the chargers when they're wired in. So we have data cabling and electrical cabling on a 600mm and 150mm cable tray, which goes right through the car park. Heads down that way. Just show you up here. So this has all been installed, ready to link charger cables into, all the way through, as you can see. Covers there, comes off here, covers this area. And then links into another meter room, which is in there. And we have come out and linked up the second EVDB and data rack. So this services all the car spaces at this end, and then links up to service these car spaces. And you can see one charger has been installed here from over there, which comes in and comes off the tray down to the charger, ready to go. And just the remainder, we come back over here. This is this other tray that links up, which does all these car spaces. Goes all the way through, down. You can see one car charger, 2 chargers have been installed here. There it is. Links down, links down. As you can see, we haven't gone below minimum height. All the way through, down to our third EVDB and data link rack, which is wired again out of this meter room here. And that is pretty much the system here at Surry Hills. 54 car spaces and 3 EVDBs. There we go. Just show you the general car spots. So anyone can get an EV charger wired in. General look. So as you can see, we're covered all the way through. Back to the start.